Choo-choo, the animal train, through the sun and through the rain. Leo roars, all aboard, let's explore this jungle road. Ellie packs the heavy bags, stacking trunks with careful tags. Don't forget your hats and coats, off we go, our train just floats. Polly sings, let's clap along, her rhymes are short but never wrong. Next stop, the river wide, where hippos splash and crocs might hide. Max swings on the handles high, making friends as we pass by. Banana's here, who wants a bite? The animals giggle in delight. Sally chirps, snacks are here, nuts and berries fresh and